Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, Know Your World. Now let us start question answer session. Question 1. Which is the least populous country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. Vatican City, with the population of around 1000 people as per 2017 data. Vatican City is the least populated country in the world. Interestingly, Vatican City is also the smallest country in the world by land area at 0.17 square miles. The country is enclosed within the Italian city of Rome and is ruled by the Pope. Next question. Which is the largest city in the world? Answer is Tokyo. Tokyo is considered the world's largest city, with its urbanization exceeding its city limits. The largest city by population using the urban area definition, which is a loose term referring to a contiguous area with a certain population density, is also Tokyo. Next question. Which island is known as the Isle of Pearls? Answer is Margarita Island. It is the largest island in the Venezuelan state of Nueva Esparta, situated off the southern coast of the country in the Caribbean Sea. The capital city of Nueva Esparta, La Asunción, is located on the island. Next question. Which is the southernmost point of South America? Answer is Eagle Island. It is the southernmost point of the Southern American continent. It is part of the larger southern group of the Diego Ramirez Islands, about 100 kilometers southwest of Cape Horn in the Drake Passage. Next question. Which is the deepest oceanic trench in the world? Answer is the Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, about 200 kilometers east of the Mariana Islands. It is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. It is crescent-shaped and measures about 2,550 km in length and 69 km in width. The maximum known depth is 10,984 meters at the southern end of the small slot-shaped valley in its floor known as the Challenger Deep. Next question. Christmas Island are the part of which country? Answer is Australia. The territory of Christmas Island in the Australian External Territory comprising the island of the same name. Christmas Island is located in the Indian Ocean, around 350 kilometers south of Java and Sumatra, and around 1,550 kilometers northwest of the closest point on the Australian main island. It has an area of 135 square kilometers. Next question. The Cape of Good Hope is the southern tip of which continent? Answer is South Africa. It is a rocky headland on the Atlantic coast of Cape Peninsula in South Africa. The southernmost point of Africa is Cape Agulhas, about 150 kilometers to the east-southwest. The currents of the two oceans meet at the point where the warm water Agulhas current meets the cold water Benguela Benguela Current and turns back on itself. Next question. Which strait separates the two main islands of New Zealand? Answer is Cook Strait. Cook Strait is the strait that separates the North and South Island of New Zealand. It connects the Tasman Sea on the southwest with the South Pacific Ocean on the southeast and runs next to the capital city, Wellington. It is 22 kilometers wide and its narrowest point, and it's considered one of the most dangerous and unpredictable waters in the world. Next question. Which continent is known as the White Desert? Answer is Antarctica. It is the coldest, windiest and most isolated continent on the earth and is considered a desert because its annual precipitation can be less than 51 millimeter in the interior. It's covered by permanent ice sheet that contains 90% of the Earth's fresh water. Next question. What is the other name of West Indies? Answer is the Caribbean Basin. Nowadays, the term West Indies is often interchangeable with the term Caribbean, although the latter, which also includes some North and South American main island countries which have Caribbean coastlines. Fun fact: Nippon Koku means land of the rising sun in Japan. Now students, we will meet next session. Till then, good day. Have a nice day.